How to fix CapCut Memory full error on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, make sure that you have at least 3 to 5 GB free, as video editing apps like CapCut need extra space for temporary files. Next, go ahead and open the CapCut application and then tap on the Me option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the Settings option on the top right. Here you will see the option for Clear Cache. Tap on it and then tap on the Confirm button in order to confirm your process. This will remove temporary files without deleting your projects. Next, in CapCut again, go to Projects and then go ahead and delete old or unfinished and finished edits that might take a lot of space, resulting in low memory. Next, you can simply open your camera roll and then go ahead and delete duplicate or large videos or simply move files to iCloud or Google Photos. Next fix for this issue is you can try to simply restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then launch the settings application again and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Further, navigate to CapCut and then tap on the offload app option you see there and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Make sure to back up your project before deleting the app. See if your issue was fixed yet, and if not, then you can also simply try to export your videos in lower quality, that is 720 pixels or 1080 pixels instead of 4K, and this will reduce the storage space on your iPhone. You can also simply try to close the background apps, as this will free RAM for smoother editing. Also, the most important fix for this issue is open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for CapCut, and make sure that the CapCut application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app, as bugs fixes often solve memory issues. So these were a few ways on how you can fix CapCut Memory full error on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.